I'll get it. We're gonna get it.
And then I don't look
There was one of those
What if we turn
Harlem Shake videos that
this light off?
it was like
See, we can turn that light off.
hundreds being evacuated on the top, like storm and somewhere, hundreds being evacuated, and it was like doing the Harlem Shake video, and then there was like 5 guys in the back with like just underwear on, and it's like raining and flood, and they're all dancing in the background while the guy's talking about the bad storm. I was like, those guys are heroes.
Una supermercado.
That was funny.
Un supermercado. Una ferretería.
Una ferretería.
Why is it doing that?
Una ferretería.
There, now that's not so bright. No, no,
Would you write hey Dory what?
no. It's too dark.
No.
Una ferretería.
No, you have to leave that on, Brandy.
Ferretería.
This has to stay on.
No.
Ferretería.
Alright, fine, you're not in it.
Una ferretería. Una
I
joyería.
don't want to wear this stuff.
Here, get another piece of tape off of there, OJ, because we gotta.
Una joyería.
Una joyería.
I'm gonna have to tape the back and hold it up.
Lista de compras en una joyería.
Oh, pretty long.
Get that?
Hold it. No, because it's not staying. I have to put a piece of tape on it.
Whoops!
Okay.
Jacob.
Ella está de compras en una ferretería.
Just hold it for a minute.
I'm gonna be a dead man's cowboy. I'm gonna be a dead man's cowboy.
Okay, you gotta move though, because I can't see. You gotta move. I can't see where I'm.
Dead man's cowboy. Look at this person. He just put the word.
I know, yeah, people do that all the time, it irritates me. Why play if you're just gonna do that? Honey, why did you tell me that? And then
I'm gonna ride the scooter.
Why would you
No,
leave that to me if I did
because I covered the word. Why didn't you know?
No, I didn't know you were, it was mine.
What is it?
Stop it.
Draw an eye, just like
It's gonna be a dead man's. I'm gonna be a dead man's cowboy.